Welcome to Vidya Bharati E-Pathshala Maharashtra. Video presentation of Mathematics Part 2 of Class 10. Topic is Similarity. Video number 3. In the previous two videos, you have studied the ratio of areas of two triangles and the basic proportionality theorem. In this video, we are going to study property of an angle bisector of a triangle and property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Statement is, the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining two sides. To prove this theorem, first we draw the diagram. Then with the help of diagram, write given, then to prove, construction, and then proof. First, draw the triangle ABC. Then, draw bisector of angle C. Here, ray CE is the bisector of angle C. Then, extend AC so that to get the ray AD. Then draw the line parallel to ray CE. Here in diagram, line BD is parallel to ray CE. Then to prove that AE upon EB equals to CA upon CB. Proof is, observe the figure, ray CE is parallel to ray BD and let AD is their transversal. Then their corresponding angles are congruent and therefore we write angle ACE equal to angle CDB. Reason is by corresponding angle theorem. Number this as 1. Now take BC as the transversal. Again here ray CE is parallel to ray BD. Then the alternate angles are congruent and therefore we write angle ECB equal to angle CBD. Reason is alternate angle theorem. Number this as 2. Now it is given angle ACE congruent to angle ECB. Number this as 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we have angle CBD congruent to angle CDB. Observe the triangle CBD. In this triangle, we get angle D congruent to angle B and therefore side opposite to these angles are congruent and therefore in triangle CBD, side CB is congruent to side CD. Number this as 4, that is CB equal to CD. Now consider the triangle ABD. Here segment EC is parallel to segment BD because by construction, and hence by basic proportionality theorem we have AE upon EB equal to AC upon CD, but CD equal to CB, and therefore AE upon EB equal to AC upon CB from 4 and 5. In this way, we prove the angle bisector theorem of a triangle. The next property is property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Statement is the ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Again here, first we draw the diagram. Line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. Then line T1 and line T2 are their transversals. Then to prove that AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. Construction is here. Draw the segment PC. Segment PC intersects the line M in point D. Then the proof is, observe the diagram. In triangle ACP, segment BD is parallel to segment AP, and therefore by basic proportionality theorem we have AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC. Number this as 1. Then observe the triangle CPR. In this triangle, segment DQ parallel to segment CR, and therefore by basic proportionality theorem we have PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. Number this as 2. Observe the equation 1 and 2. The ratio PD upon DC is common in equation 1 and 2, and hence we write AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. Reason is from 1 and 2, and therefore AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. In this way, we prove the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now using these two properties, we solve some examples. Example number 1. In triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is equal to 2.5. Then find QP. Answer is, observe the figure. In triangle MNP, ray NQ is the bisector of angle MNP. As the bisector of angle is given, and therefore by using the property of angle bisector of a triangle, we have Mn upon Np equal to Mq upon Qp. Therefore, substituting the values of Mn, Np and Mq, we have 5 upon 7 equal to 2.5 upon Qp. Therefore, Qp equal to 7 into 2.5 upon 5. Simplify this, we get Qp equal to 3.5. In this way, by using the angle bisector of a triangle property, we find Qp as Qp equal to 3.5. The next example, in trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC, AP equal to 15, PD equal to 12, QC equal to 14. Then find BQ. Then the solution. In figure, trapezium ABCD is given and side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. Means here we have 3 parallel sides, and let their transversals are AD and BC, and therefore by using the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversals, we get AP upon PD equal to BQ upon QC. Substituting the values of AP, PD and QC, we have 15 upon 12 equal to BQ upon 14, and therefore BQ equal to 15 into 14 upon 12. Simplify this. Here, dividing by 2, we get 210 upon 6 equal to 35 upon 2. Therefore, BQ equal to 17.5. In this way here, by using the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal, we find the length of BQ as 17.5. In this way, today you have studied the property of angle bisector of a triangle and property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal. Thank you.